We've just come through probably the worst, hopefully the worst pandemic of our lifetimes. And we need to invest more in understanding the way viruses work among humans.
People in Newfoundland and Labrador can help contribute to that understanding by signing up to get tested when they get sick this winter. Dr. Peter Daly is recruiting and testing participants for a national study tracking which viruses are circulating in which communities. Called the Prepared Study, researchers say it's about building a national early warning system for viruses that have the potential to become a public health emergency or pandemic. You can sign up for the study if you are at least 5 years old and you've had 2 of the common symptoms of respiratory illness in the past week: congestion, fever, sore throat, coughing, runny nose, etc. Of course, many of us will have symptoms like that at some point this winter, but Dr. Daly says there are good reasons to find out exactly what's causing them.
Why does it matter that people should know which virus they have? Number one, they should not take an antibiotic because they have a viral infection which does not respond to an antibiotic treatment. Second, that we have surveillance of which viruses are circulating accurately within the province and within the country. And third, that we can do research on people that have certain viral infections.
You can sign up by texting the number below. In St. John's, eligible participants will get an appointment at a swabbing center outside the Avalon. Free at-home testing kits will be available. Researchers have also been collecting data from children at the Janeway Hospital. The study is aiming to test 500 people in the province this winter. Dr. Daly says the COVID-19 pandemic was a stark lesson in how important this kind of community monitoring can be.
Well, we know that pandemic was a major threat to health, and that there was almost 7 million deaths, and there will be more pandemics in the future. So we're much more careful about watching which viruses are circulating. You know, is the vaccine covering the viruses appropriately? Will there be a crossover event between animals and humans, such as avian influenza? There's a lot of important health questions that come out of this topic.
If you'd like to learn more about this study, including locations and contact info for Newfoundland and Labrador, you can check it out online at preparedcanada.org. Zach Gowdy, CBC News, St. John's.